6041. Okay. Next one is a managed business partners data. Okay. Then this is the managed business partner app. Okay, same application we can use as a report also and to create business partner also. Okay, suppose we have to use as a reporting purpose, simply we can click on go. Whatever the things you have to add here, city, country, as a filter criteria that we can add, and we can click on the go. In the GUI, execute button is there, and here go button is there. Okay, this is a list. And one more important thing, suppose we have to extract this data in Excel, simply we have one option, export table. Okay, we can export this data in the Excel also. All report, for all report. This is not only for managed business partner data. Previously, we have seen for managed product master data, we can do this thing. See, this option is there, export table. Okay, then next one is a creation. See, system is asking person or organization, we are using organization. Okay, this is the initial screen. Suppose grouping we are using ZCS0. BP role. Which kind of the BP role we have to use for the business partner from the purchasing end?
FLCU, FLVN 0001
00 and 01. Okay, 00 and 01. Suppose 00 first, then organization title. This detail we have to add on the initial screen only. Postal code, country, region, and language EM. Okay, then okay. Okay. Now next thing is that for the role FLVN00 is for purchasing or company code?
company code.
Company code.
Okay. I will select here. Okay, these details I will add search term 1, search term 2, then company code. Okay, now we have to click on create. For which company code we are going to create this business partner, that is AD02. And here we have to add reconciliation account, which is a mandatory entry. Okay, then apply. Then again apply. Okay, what is the error? Postal code 1235 must length 6. Okay, where is the postal code? Okay, then which role is missing? One role we have created. See, in the role we have to click on the create to create the new role. Whatever the data we have added in the GUI, both are same, only the creation method is different. FLBN01. Okay, so click on the more details. What is error? Postal code must have six. Okay. Now coming to the purchase organization data. In purchase organization, create. Okay, we have to create for AD04 purchase organization. And mandatory field is a order currency. Then apply. Check. And create. Okay, so this supplier we have created.